Someone asks you this question, it may be in exam or maybe in interview or in any casual discussion. How is the global economy doing? As a student of economics, you cannot answer it is doing good, it is doing bad. You have to talk in the exact economic terms. If you are saying it is doing good, what good? How much good? If it is not doing good, in what aspect it is not doing good? Economic survey gives you the exact answer as per the World Economic Outlook of IMF. So this itself is a question: who publishes World Economic Outlook? The global economy registers a growth of 3.2%, though marginally lower than 22 growth. What was 22 growth? 3.5%. See this graph here, and this line, the black line, 3.5 is the average of 8 years from 2011 to 2019. From 22 and compared to this 8-year average, it is lower, 3.2. But then why it is better? Because the expectations were 2.8 as mentioned in the World Economic Outlook of last year, April 23. But this is very different situation today because the average inflation is still very high, 6.8, when it was 3.5% during this average 8-year. And export volume also, you can see, it's much lower than 3.7 here to 0.5%. Global trade is badly affected, less than last year and less than the average, and also the geopolitical risk, though declining, but much higher than the average of 2011 to 2019. And the growth is there both in advanced economies and also in the emerging market economies. India comes into EMEs. The interesting fact is this: if you compare with the pre-pandemic level, almost all major economies have surpassed the pre-pandemic level, 120% for India and China, two major economies of the world. With these kind of substantive data, you can say the world economy is improving, but with the challenges of inflation, challenges of geopolitical risk, challenging of trade. Overall expectation for the coming years are better because the performance last year was better than the earlier expectations. Keep watching iExamB video for 50% faster preparation.